everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mimi's Makeup. So let's go to the question number 12, which will be, do you avoid certain ingredients in cosmetics like parabens or sulfates? Not really. I'm trying my best to avoid like the silica or silicone in like face powder, because I had an NYX face powder, loose powder, and it's a disaster. Just make a really white chunky look with flash in cameras. It's a disaster for me. So this is the only ingredient that I'm trying to avoid, like the silica and face powder. I can use the silica or silicone in the primer because it makes my skin so soft and nice, but in powders I just look for it. If it's in the first three ingredients, I just don't use it at all. Yeah, the powder becomes so soft, but I'm just trying my best to avoid any flashback and any this white like colors, powdery feeling, powdery color in the flashback in the photos. It's so bad. So this is the thing that I like look for in the face powder when I buy like face powder, whatever it's compact or loose. There's nothing else, I guess, or there's nothing else in my mind right now. So yeah, this is for this question. So let's go to the next video with the next question, and I'm gonna see you soon in the next video. Bye.